5 raised to the power 8 plus 7 raised to the power 8 plus 74 raised to the power 4 upon 2, then whole raised to the power of 1 upon 2. How to solve this? So before solving this exponent of 1 upon 2, we have to first solve the operation within the parenthesis. So let's first deal with this. Now 5 to the power 8, this we can write it as 5 raised to the power 2, then whole raised to the power 4, because a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So 2 times 4 will be 8. Same for 7 to the power 8 is 7 to the power 2, then whole to the power 4 plus 74 to the power 4 upon 2, then whole raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So 5 square we can write it as 25. So 25 raised to the power 4. 7 square is 49. So 49 raised to the power 4 plus, now 74 we can write it as 25 plus 49. So 25 plus 49 whole raised to the power 4 upon 2, then whole raised to the power of 1 upon 2. Now let's consider m is equal to 25 and n is equal to 49. Then we have m to the power 4 plus n to the power 4 plus m plus n whole to the power 4. We are dealing with numerator here first, so it's easier to solve it and we don't have to write all the equations every time we solve the steps. Or m to the power 4 plus n to the power 4 plus, this is in the form of a plus b whole raised to the power 4, and this is equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 4b cube a plus 6a square b square. So let's expand m plus n whole to the power 4 as m to the power 4 plus n to the power 4 plus 4m cube n plus 4n cube m plus 6m square n square. Or m to the power 4 is 2m to the power 4 plus 2n to the power 4 plus, here we can take 4mn as common and write m square plus n square inside the bracket plus 6m square n square. Now this is the numerator. Again let's take here 2 common. So 2 parenthesis m to the power 4 plus n to the power 4 plus 2mn m square plus n square plus 3m square n square. Now the question is numerator upon 2. So we write upon 2, then whole raised to the power of 1 upon 2. Now 2 and 2 here gets cancelled. So this is m to the power 4 plus n to the power 4 plus this 3m square n square. We can write it as 2m square n square plus m square n square plus 2mn parenthesis m square plus n square. Now the exponent of 1 upon 2 means it is under square root. Now m to the power 4 we can write it as m square whole to the power 2 plus n square whole to the power 2 plus 2m square n square. Now if you consider m square as a and n square as b, then it is in this form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write these 3 terms as m square plus n square whole square plus m square n square, we can write it as mn whole square plus 2mn m square plus n square under square root. Now again if you consider m square plus n square as a and mn as b, then it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this algebraic expression is equal to a plus b whole square. So this will be m square plus n square plus mn whole square under square root. Now we can remove the square root with the square because square root means the exponent of 1 upon 2. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So we have m square plus n square plus mn. Now m is 25. So 25 square. N is 49. So 49 square plus 25 times 49. 25 square is 625. It's very easy to find the squares of the numbers which have 5 at the end. We write the square of 5, that is 25. Then add 1 to this digit, 2 plus 1 is 3 and multiply it with the 3. So we get 625. How about square of 49? How to find square of 2-digit numbers without using calculator? Now for square of 49, you can use this trick. I have already made a video on this. First write the square of 9, that is 81. Then write the square of 4, that is 16. Now multiply these two numbers, these two digits. 4 times 9 is 36 and multiply it with the 2 because we are squaring the number. So 36 times 2 is 72. Leave one place and write 72 here and then add it. So 2401. Square of 49 will be 2401. Easy. Plus 25 times 49 is 1225. Now we have to add it. This is equal to 4251. So no calculator required. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.